The JESLED T8 LED tube light 3-foot model delivers a very bright daylight-style glow that easily replaces traditional fluorescent tubes in garages, workshops, and basements. Its high lumen output paired with modest wattage means you get strong, even illumination while noticeably cutting electricity use compared with older fluorescent bulbs. The tube supports both direct wire and compatible ballast setups, so upgrading existing fixtures is straightforward for do-it-yourself users and professionals alike. Light quality is clean and steady, with no visible flicker or humming, which makes it more comfortable for long periods of work or reading under the fixture. Durable construction and efficient diode design give these tubes an impressively long service life, reducing how often you need to climb a ladder to swap out failed lamps. The 12-pack format is especially practical if you are relamping a whole garage, basement, or small commercial space and want consistent, uniform lighting throughout.